So what we're going to do here is we're going to say $sign and then parentheses, which is saying the variable that we're creating, which is num for number, is going to be the output of whatever commands we put inside these parentheses. And then we're going to say data, which is the full string, basically in our case right here, it's this. And we want to find everything after this B and before this caret symbol. So we're going to say cut with a delimiter of B, and we're going to say field 2. So that's field 1 is whatever's before the B, field 2 is everything after the B. And then we're going to take that, since at this point num is everything past the B, we want to cut that to everything before this caret symbol. So we're going to cut again, and we're going to say with a delimiter of the caret symbol field 1. Next we're going to say name, and here we're going to grab the full name, and then we'll divide that up for the first name and last name after that. So we're going to say echo again the $sign data for the variable of data, and the colors don't look right. Oh, because I didn't put the $sign here. I was like, that's not right. Okay. So we're going to say cut with a delimiter of, and the name, as you can see, is between the two caret symbols. So if we're dividing up, if we're using the delimiter of the caret symbol, we've got 3 fields: field 1, field 2, and field 3. And of course we want field 2 in this case, so -F2. So that will get us the full name, which right now the variable name is Smith/John. So what we're going to say is we want the last name to equal whatever name is. We're going to pipe that into the cut command, and this time we're going to use the delimiter of a /. And this is the last name. The last name comes first in this case, so we're going to say F1. So basically, name is this. We're saying take that, everything before that first slash. Next, let's just cheat and copy and paste that, and we will say fname for first name, and it's the same thing, but it's everything after that /. And this should actually be like that. There we go. Now the expiration date. The expiration date is going to be a little bit different. We're going to use the cut command to get everything after the second caret. But there's no real special delimiter. We don't know if this is always going to be a 1, you know? And there's also a 1 in the thing, so it's not a good way to divide up. So we're going to grab, first off, everything this after this second caret and put that into a variable called xdate. And then we're going to take the expiration date, which is all this, and just say, grab the first 2 characters for the year, and then grab characters 3 and 4 for the month, because the date will always be a 4 character in size. So we'll say xdate equals, and we'll say $echo, $, and inside parentheses echo, and we'll say $data, and we'll pipe that into the cut command with a delimiter of, and don't forget, I put that in the wrong spot, there we go, of the caret symbol, and we want field 3. So again, right now, expiration date equals all that. So now, we're going to say, and again, I've gone over all this in previous tutorials, I want to make that clear. I'm assuming you know the basics, but I'm going to try to explain things. And we don't want parentheses sign, we're not running command, we're taking a variable, and we're saying, take the variable that already exists of xdate, and start at the very beginning, 0, and go 2 characters. That would be our year. And then we're going to say /, so it's just going to print the / there, $, and then our braces, and we're going to say xdate, and we're going to say go to the end of the second character and go 2 characters and print that. Okay, so if we typed everything correctly, now we can output our data.